There are plenty of times when you build a chatbot and then realize that you're not getting the answers that you're looking for. Indeed, the GPT models are not a one size fits all solution. This is a perfect example. Let's say a user that asks, "What is an LLM?" Well, I wanted a specific answer, but instead I get something about the LLM being a master of laws, which is not what I want. For cases like this, you need fine tuning. Fine tuning is the process of taking a pre trained model, for example, the base GPT model, and further training it on a specific dataset, typically a smaller dataset, which allows you to specialize or adapt the model to a particular task or specific domain. Among the advantages of fine tuning is that you get higher quality results, which is even better than prompt design. Also, you have the ability to train on more examples that can be fit into a prompt, which is better than using few shot learning. Also, with shorter prompts, you use less tokens, which turns into cost savings. The fine tuning process allows for several benefits, including specialization, because the base model is very general purpose. So, by using fine tuning, you can make it an expert in specific domains, such as medical information, legal advice, or your own data. Then, safety and reliability, because by fine tuning on curated datasets, the model can be guided to produce outputs that are safer and more in line with the desired behavior, as well as customizations. Organizations can fine tune models to better align with their requirements or to understand and generate outputs in the context of their specific domain or business. When using the OpenAI API, users often interact with models that have undergone such fine tuning processes to ensure that generated outputs are not only creative and coherent, but also safe, relevant, and that can be domain specific if needed. But you can also fine tune further. So, just to make sure we're on the same page, the chatbot is a conversational agent that simulates the conversation. Fine tuning is the technique used to adapt a pre trained model to a specific data set, which allows it to work for specialized interactions.